The coronavirus is keeping people on their toes, confronting companies with new operational challenges. Coronavirus is currently the largest threat to the global economy since the financial crisis of 2007 and 8. Having emergency and crisis management in place and pre-planning multiple scenarios has become indispensable. Now let's discuss the risk of a global recession. The coronavirus is threatening supply chains and the logistics setup of many companies, which is why it has become unavoidable that there will be a break in the supply chain and production, causing longer delivery times. In view of the loss of production, important decreases should be expected in industrial production as well as in retail trade. Simultaneously, consumers have rapidly changed their buying patterns and travels, thus reducing their expenditures for goods and services. The great insecurity is causing a significant drop in demand for goods and investment activities, which are limited to bare minimum. It is therefore possible that a global downturn is just around the corner. Tens of millions of small and medium-sized enterprises were shut down. Given that SMEs generate 80% of employment, it is important to understand the toll of the novel coronavirus is taking on SMEs in order to ensure that policy measures are appropriately designed to meet their needs. However, gauging the impact of COVID-19 on SMEs is particularly challenging because these enterprises are plentiful in number but small in size. Unlike publicly listed firms, information on SMEs is not readily available. SMEs were struggling with many challenges such as disruption in logistics, restriction on labor mobility, and declines in market order. The major challenges varied by industry. For example, export firms suffered more than others due to the decline in external demand. SMEs in residential services sector were hit particularly hard because of shrinking demand. So after the pandemic, what is the next directions SMEs should take? Global competition for most businesses is fierce. Therefore, businesses must take advantage of areas they can leverage to improve efficiency and reduce cost. It should be in order to allow more time and human resources to focus on generating revenue. Bringing more efficiency to the daily workflow while also scaling productivity will become the focus of many businesses in the future. Working with an experienced outsourcing provider helps companies overcome productivity challenges, streamline operations, and add additional resources that may be lacking in-house. From sales to recruitment to operations, outsourcing provides an unlimited amount of opportunities to help your business work smarter. Advances in technology have helped forward-looking companies to benefit significantly from outsourcing services. This is particularly relevant for small to medium-sized companies which simply lack focusing on cross-functional departments such as finance and accounting. There are one-time opportunities emerging from disruption of the pandemic. Therefore, it is vital for businesses to reassess their strategies and the way they operate. Through outsourcing, businesses can create a pool of additional funds by avoiding expenses from non-core activities. This helps them to enable opportunities for growth and innovation. The outsourcing model reduces expenses by eliminating the need to hire and train new employees. It also helps them to increase occupancy cost and investment in additional office space and equipment. Having a large pool of outsourced on-demand talent means companies can rapidly scale up their workforce. These companies do not need to hire additional full-time employees and increase their overheads and their investment in office space and equipment. Using outsourcing creates new opportunities and makes better use of existing talent that helps employers get the most of their current workforce. So how outsourcing can help sustain businesses in crisis? In an attempt to develop a greater business agility and resilience, companies are increasingly looking to reduce the COVID-19 risk through outsourcing. Almost 20% of UK companies are looking to outsource at least one business area following the COVID-19 crisis. Now let's discuss the three major benefits of outsourcing to businesses going through a financial crisis. The first benefit is reduction of cost. The impact of COVID-19 has proven that many workers don't physically need to be trained in the office to work efficiently. The same goes for outsourced workers or entire departments. Outsourcing the accounting functions reduces payroll cost while adding highly qualified experts with a deep pool of resources, especially in times of crises and uncertainty. Outsourcing can also mean less stress for business leaders over employee turnover or potential layoffs. The second benefit of outsourcing is security and efficiency in virtual workforce. With many employees working from home for a foreseeable future, businesses are forced to quickly implement technology and solutions that will help them adapt to these new circumstances. In this virtual age, migrating an organization to cloud-based software allows business leaders and employees to have secure, remote access without any hassles. The third benefit of outsourcing is increased depth of knowledge and resources. Outsourcing firms comes with an expertise and domain knowledge in particular area. It helps clients to deploy readily available resources instead of hiring and training them. Outsourcing companies are specialized in their domain, which brings a competitive edge for their clients. If you are considering outsourcing for your business, I recommend considering Apex Service Solutions for your company. This company is based in Kosovo in Eastern Europe and is specialized in business process management. The company is owned by experienced professionals in a range of industries. Apex provides a blend of functional expertise and process capabilities. Their solutions help you to maintain stability and competitive advantage in this volatile market. If you want to watch more videos about outsourcing and offshoring, then make sure to click here on this link. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.